Oh itu loh dikasih jeruk itu loh.
Oh. Memang disuruh ikut lah.
Basically habitual creatures, so they tend to use, they've got a good key for a lot of things, especially using the same pattern. So if there's enough food and water availability on it, then they are going to use that same route for the whole of their life. And that's another reason you would hear people talking about this one, the cartilage is actually a physical. That's why, man, I just heard last night that this elephant was basically saved from a circus. This is why it looks like it's got that form design of a quince, right? They say this animal started running.